Hello teacher, in this presentation we will comment on the different environmental problems that exist in our city of Xalapa. To determine these problems we are based on historical antecedents of the city, as it was before and it is now. And the main of these problems is the overpopulation that little by little was increasing drastically, not only due to birth rates but also due to migration for other parts of the city. Our state, including our country, this causes the deforestation of the Jalapeño ecosystem and the implementation of excessive use of the car by the inhabitants, which causes a lot of pollution. Let's start with the consequence of the overpopulation, as we are ready to know the human being consumes to certain a mountain of products to survive. Now the demand of these products has increased by hundreds to hundreds times, which causes a shortage of basic services such as electricity, water, and including the internet.
There is also a great deforestation for the construction of houses, roads, highways, and connection of services, which causes the natural areas to end in the same way they increase in the use of polluting products such as automobiles, aerosols, and many more. The other problem is deforestation. This alters the life cycle of an ecosystem. The climate increases soil erosion, kills native species, reduces the filtration of carbon dioxide, which causes very poor air quality. It also creates a less habitable environment for humans and causes disease. Finally, the excessive use of combustion vehicles that, the more people use them, the more damage it causes to the atmosphere. That is why the mild and humid climate that existed in Xalapa before today has ended, and it's getting hotter and hotter.
For deforestation, we would like the construction companies to implement the construction of houses that can make better use of the spaces without the need for them, and that the authorities force them to plant trees in areas where trees have fallen. Regulate the use of the car as they do in Mexico City, and implement sustainability public transport. In conclusion, we can say that all this is something that affects use of. Everything is interconnected, and what we propose for overpopulation is a culture of birth. If you cannot support a child, it is simple. Best not to have it and use condom.